January 6th, 2021 Daily Math Review number 1. A carpenter is making a model house and he buys 8 feet of crown molding to use as accent pieces. He needs 144 inches of the molding for the house. How many additional feet of the material will he need to purchase to finish the model? Alright, so he buys 8 feet of crown molding. He needs 144 inches. So, first of all, we need to figure out how many additional feet. So we need to convert, he buys 8 feet, but he needs 144 inches. So we're going to need to convert that 144 inches, let's highlight that there, to feet. So we're going to have those inches to feet. Oop, let's do blue. All right, so we're going to have, we're going to try to get the inches to feet. So we have 144 inches. And remember, we can put that over 1. We're trying to get from inches to feet, and we're trying to get rid of those inches. How many inches are in a foot? Do we remember? Oh yeah, a foot is a ruler. One ruler has 12 inches in it. So one ruler is 12 inches. Now, we are going to, there we go. All right, we are going to be able to cross out those inches because inches divided by inches equals itself. And then now we can divide. We can multiply. 144 times 1 is 144. We're going to keep those feet up there. 1 times 12 is 12. Now, what we're going to do is divide. 144 divided by 12. Well, I know that 12 times 12 is 144. So our answer is going to be 12, and we're going to keep those feet. So let's type our answer in over here as 12. Well, first of all, he has 12 feet that he needs. But he buys 8 feet. So he already has that 8 feet. So we're going to do 12 minus 8 here. 12 minus, whoa, why did I pull another 2? There we go. 12 minus 8, which is going to give us 4 because 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So he needs 4 more feet because he already bought 8 feet. So he needs 4 more feet. You can also just put 4 more if you want to. And that's it. That's all for our DMR number 1. Great job.